Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to customize your Realme C51 display like an iPhone. To change the appearance of your Realme to be like an iPhone, and then you can use additional application. Here you can open your Play Store and please download the launcher iOS 16 application. After you have successfully installed the application, and then here just tap once and select continue. And then the appearance of your Realme device is now successfully changed like an iPhone display. If you want to change it back, you can go to the settings menu and please select apps and tap all apps. And then here you can select the launcher iOS 16 and clear the storage like this. And then the appearance of your device will return to its original state. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change the appearance of Realme to be like an iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe for more information from this channel. Thank you.